India and abroad on the 75th Independence Day celebration. Independence Day is celebrated annually on 15th August, commemorating the nation's independence from the British Raj on 15th of August 1947. India had been under the British rule for 2 centuries before it got freedom and became an independent country. It's a day to remember all the people who sacrificed their lives fighting for the freedom we enjoy today. It's a day when we honor their immense contribution to the freedom struggle of India. Each citizen of India celebrates this day with great enthusiasm, as this day holds a very special and vital place in the hearts of all Indians. On this day, Indians all over the country organize different events to illuminate the spirit of freedom. Schools and different institutions across the country hold special events to celebrate this day. With this, I would like to conclude my speech, wishing everyone a very happy Independence Day. Jai Hind.
Sisters, teachers and my dear students, I wish you all a very happy Independence Day. Today our nation celebrates its 75th Independence Day. After many years of struggle, finally our country achieved its freedom from the British rule in the year 1947. On this occasion, we remember our freedom fighters who struggled and tirelessly fought for the freedom of our country. Especially, we remember Mahatma Gandhi, the father of our nation, who understood war and violence create chaos in the country. So he used the method of non-violence and tolerance and fought for the freedom of the country. Today we are still under the oppression of poverty, unemployment, illiteracy. It is said that unity is our strength. United together, let us eradicate the forms of poverty, illiteracy and unemployment in our country. Let us instill in the young the core values of honesty, peace and co-responsibility towards one another, and pray for our leaders that they may work for peace and the progress of our nation, and thus every citizen may enjoy true freedom and the freedom of being the children of God. Jai Hind.
India was well known for its rich heritage and enormous wealth.
But this prosperity attracted the British, who gradually established their rule over India.
Gradually, they expanded their supremacy in most parts of the country.
Mahatma Gandhi, along with several prominent freedom fighters, namely Rani Lakshmi Bai, Shahid Bhagat Singh, Kanak Lata, Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose, and several others shed their blood to lead India towards independence.
हम लड़ेंगे ताकि हमारे आने वाली पीढ़ियां अपनी आजादी का उत्सव मना सके।
मैं भारतवर्ष का हर दम अमीर सम्मान करता हूँ, यहाँ की चांदनी मिट्टी का ही गुणगान करता हूँ। मुझे चिंता नहीं है स्वर्ग जाकर मोक्ष पाने की, तिरंगा हो कफन मेरा, बस यही अरमान करता हूँ। इनकलाब जिंदाबाद।
Throughout this struggle, many movements were organized, such as the Non-Cooperation Movement, the Civil Disobedience Movement, Salt March, and Quit India Movement. All their struggles finally bore fruit when India achieved independence from this catastrophic rule on 15th of August 1947.
मातरम, वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम। सिंदूरी गालों वाला सूरज जो करे ठिठोली, शर्मीले खेतों को ढक ले चूनर पीली पीली। घूंघट में रंग घट में रंग चमचम चमकीला, देश रंगीला रंगीला, देश मेरा रंगीला, देश रंगीला रंगीला, देश मेरा रंगीला।
India has now become a republic and people can choose their own representatives. New rights were introduced and several developmental plans were initiated by our leaders. Agriculture, the backbone of our country.
The education sector, the future of our country.
Even though with development, India reached new heights, still it couldn't remain untouched by the clutches of corruption, violence, etc.
Don't hit me, don't hit me, don't hit me.
This is a government office where the officials do their work only when they are offered something in return.
Give me money if you want your work to be done.
Despite numerous imperfections of our country, we are constantly striving for perfection with the help of our administration and citizens. And one day, we will surely succeed in achieving glory.
While striving for success, let us not forget about the contributions of the martyrs of our land. So, here's presenting a song in their memory.
जो शहीद हुए हैं उनकी सलाम करो जब घायल हुआ हिमालय खतरे में पड़ी आजादी जब घायल हुआ हिमालय खतरे में पड़ी आजादी जब तक थी सांस नहीं हो जब तक थी सांस नहीं हो तेरे अपनी लाश जागी संगीन पे धर कर माथा सो गए अमर बलिदानी जो शहीद हुए हैं उनकी सराया करो कुर्बानी तुम भूल न जाओ उनको इसलिए सुनो ये कहानी जो शहीद हुए हैं उनकी सराया करो कुर्बानी जय हिंद की सेना जय हिंद की सेना जय